Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Verilog coding with me. So let's get started. Today we'll be seeing these two topics: replication operator and more replication. Here is a possible explanation given, and here is our problem statement. So in our problem statement, they are telling to replicate the bit 7 24 times, followed by the 8-bit number itself. So here is the code snippet they have given. So we will come it out. So to replicate a number, first we have to use the flower bracket, then the number of times we want to replicate, another flower bracket opening, and the bit which we want to replicate it. So close the flower bracket and provided here the input of. So let's submit. So the compilation process is started. So as you can see, the status is success. So let's move on to the next one. Vector 5 given 5 1-bit signals, compute all 25 pairwise 1-bit comparisons. So in this problem, we have to check for the similar ones. If both are similar, then it should return 1. So we are performing the XNOR operation to check the comparisons. So here is the code snippet. So first we have to open a flower bracket. 5, then another flower bracket. Then we want to implement that, we have to use the flower bracket. So similarly we have to do for all the bits. So here we have to give the input like ABCDE. It's easy. A, B, C, D, E. So let's submit. The compilation process. So there is an error occurring expecting your input. So let's fix the error in our text. Okay. So we have missed another one flower bracket. So let's submit. So we can ignore the warnings. So as you can see, the status is success. So that's all for the today's session. In the next session, we will see in the modules.